This is social media versus reality. First off is the Mont Saint-Michel in France. This island is known for this chaotic town beyond the walls and green low tide fields, but in reality this place is way more awesome and should be visited in summer. Next up is the Hitachi Seaside Park in Japan. This place is known for these beautiful blue flowers that stretch across the park, and in reality the spot is more beautiful than shown in social media, so I would definitely recommend everyone to visit here. And lastly, the Storm Spa in Italy. The spa is known for the artificial weather used to give you a heavy rain experience, and in reality the Storm Spa is way more awesome if you can get this experience in real life.